Hey, welcome, Savvy. I'm Amy.
I'm Lucas.
Look what we have in front of us. How are you feeling about all of this?
I'm excited but nervous because I don't really know what we're signing up for.
So they put the sheet in front of us. We're going to be making something. It's
we have not
seasonal.
seen it.
We haven't seen it. Let's take a look, my friend. And honestly, I don't bake. I don't cook. I look at food videos, I admire food videos,
okay.
I don't attempt to recreate food videos. So today,
a little different, eh?
We're gonna recreate.
1, 2, 3. Here's first.
Okay, I'm gonna get real, I feel like this is one of those things where what are you doing?
I'm trying to stretch these out. You know what I mean? I got a stubby marshmallow. I'm trying to go for a long, like LeBron James looking one.
So I'm gonna attempt to put this in here. I feel like this is not a good idea.
Yeah. Need to take some action here.
In comparison to you, I'm actually feeling very confident. I'm feeling strong.
Someone eats this and they find out this is how I made it. They're gonna have a big problem with me. So mean.
Look at that.
I'm gonna steal another marshmallow because I can. Is this supposed to be his head?
So I got my icing, I got my base. I'm gonna make the little bunny ears by cutting. Look at that.
Oh, so we have
a little point, one ear. We're not gonna be wasteful.
I'm almost building like a snowman, if I can say that.
We don't need symmetry.
We
just need, no one's
Homeboy's lost his left eye here real quick.
It looks like just a little ghost-like. I feel like this is a good check-in point. Let's look back at the photo for reference.
Oh, I got 2 noses.
Let's look back at the photo for reference. How are things looking? Bring it up, look at that. Guys, you two can
I'm off to a
do this
commanding lead, obviously. You know?
Like I said, you might finish first, but... Done! It's my male bunny. Look at this. It's like they're a match made in heaven.
I think so.
Right? Happy Easter, y'all.
Happy Easter, everyone.
Check back in with us later. We don't know what we're gonna make next. I will not eat that.